Authorization to serve, a signal that made a server begin to serve. Team serve indicates which team has the right to serve. Change of courts, signal that teams must switch sides to court. Timeout indicates a team that has requested a timeout. Substitution signals a legal player substitute. Misconduct warning, a yellow card given for unsportsmanlike behavior without penalty. Misconduct penalty, a red card given with a penalty point. Expulsion, removed from the set with no penalty point. Disqualification, a red and yellow card removing the offender from the match. End of set, signals that the current set has finished. Ball not tossed, indicates the server failed to properly toss the ball before serving. Delay service, signals the server is taking too long to serve. Blocking fault, indicates an illegal block by a player. Positional, signals a player are out or possession at the serve. Ball in, indicates the ball landed inside the court. Ball out, indicates the ball landed outside the court. Catch, signals the ball was held or thrown instead or hit cleanly. Double contact, indicates a player hit the ball twice in succession. 4 hits, signals a team contacted the ball more than 4 times. Net touch, indicates a player illegally touched the net during play. Reaching beyond the net, signals a player illegally reached over the net. Attacking hit fault, indicates an illegal attack by a player. Penetration into opponent's court, signal a player illegally crossed into the opponent's side. Double fault, point is replayed due to simultaneous fault. Ball touch, indicates a player touched the ball before it went out. Delayed warning, signal a warning for delayed the game. Delayed penalty, a point is awarded to the opponent for delaying the game.